Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add background music to your Snapchat videos. You can follow the steps. First, launch your Snapchat app on your mobile device and record a video, and you can tap the capture button to record a video or choose an existing video from your camera roll. So I'm going to tap the capture button to record the video. So you can add the music after recording, and tap the music icon located in the top right corner of the screen, and this will open the music interface. You can simply choose a song, browse through the available music options and select the song you want to add as a music to your video, just like this. Or you can search for a specific song or browse through different categories and tap on the bottom right corner. And once you have selected a song, you can adjust the start and end points of the music clip, and you can also adjust the front, and you can preview your video with background music added if you're satisfied with the result, and you can proceed to share a video with your friends or add it to your Snapchat story. That's it. By following the steps, you can easily add background music to your Snapchat videos and enhance your storytelling experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.